Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect HyperX Cloud 3 to PS5. Start by taking your HyperX Cloud 3 headset and the wireless dongle that comes in the box. This small dongle is what allows your headset to connect to your PS5 without using a cable. Look at the front of your PS5 console and find the USB-C port. Gently plug the USB-C dongle into that port. If your USB-C port is already in use or not working, do not worry. Inside the box, there is also a USB-A adapter. Attach the dongle to this adapter, then plug it into one of the standard USB-A ports on your PS5. Both methods will work the same way. Next, pick up your headset. Locate the power button, usually found on one of the ear cups. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until you see the status light turn on. This means the headset is powered up. After turning it on, the headset should automatically connect to the dongle. You do not need to press anything else. Watch the status lights on both the headset and the dongle. When they stop blinking and become solid, the connection is complete. Now take your PS5 controller and go to the main menu. Navigate to Settings, then select Sound. Inside this menu, choose Audio Output. Set the output device to USB headset, labeled as HyperX Cloud 3. Finally, go to the microphone section and set the input device to the same HyperX headset. This ensures your voice is picked up clearly during chats. Your headset is now fully connected and ready to use. Thanks for watching.